welcome.
Oh, Brian, good morning.
Good morning, Lisa.
The weather is absolutely gorgeous today, isn't it? The sky is so blue.
It really is. Finally feels like spring. The wind is actually warm for once.
I know. Speaking of spring, the cherry blossoms down at the tidal basin are looking ready to pop. They'll probably reach peak bloom next week.
Is it that time of year already? The weather's been great in Baltimore, too. The inner harbor is finally starting to look nice again. People are actually walking around the waterfront.
That sounds lovely.
Are you going to go down to the tidal basin this year?
I want to. I'm planning to walk around there with some friends if the crowds aren't too crazy. How about you, Brian?
I'm actually planning a staff dinner on a boat in the harbor. Should be fun.
That sounds amazing. But hey, it's rare to see you here this early. Usually at this time, you're back in Baltimore, right?
Yeah, exactly. Usually I'd be doing inventory at the restaurant right now, but I actually have a meeting here in DC today.
Oh, business? Where in DC?
Just a few blocks from here. I'm meeting a buddy from college. We're brainstorming a new project.
Oh, nice. That's exciting. But getting here this early must be a pain.
Not really. I hate driving on I-95 during rush hour. It's a parking lot. So I took an early MARC train down. It's way less stressful.
Smart move. So you're killing time here until your meeting?
Exactly. I figured I'd grab some good coffee and just chill for a bit.
Well, I'm happy to see you. What can I get you? The usual?
What are you brewing today?
Today's roast is Brazilian. It's got low acidity, a little darker, kind of chocolatey notes.
Perfect. I like the darker roasts. I'll take a hot coffee, please.
You got it. And do you want a bite to eat? You haven't had breakfast yet, right?
Yeah, I'm starving. What's good today?
The croissants just came out of the oven, super buttery. We also have a ham and cheese croissant sandwich.
A sandwich, huh? What's on it?
House-made ham, fresh lettuce, tomato, and I made the aioli myself.
You made the aioli? That sounds tempting. Man, I can't decide.
Take your time.
The sandwich sounds great, but I think I need a sugar rush. I'll stick with the plain butter croissant. It goes better with the coffee.
Good choice. One croissant coming up.
Thanks.
Coffee and a croissant. Give me just a sec. Here you go. Careful, the mug is hot.
Thanks. Wow, smells amazing. Let's see. Yep, your coffee hits the spot. Just bitter enough. I'm finally waking up.
Good. So, Brian, what time did you actually wake up to get here?
I was up at 5 a.m. It was still pitch black outside.
5 o'clock. That is painful. I am definitely still dreaming at 5 o'clock.
I left my place at 5:30 to catch the train at Penn Station.
Did you nap on the train?
No, I couldn't really sleep. I just watched the scenery. Watching the sun come up over the row houses and the industrial yards. It's actually kind of peaceful in the morning.
That sounds nice, actually. A little reward for the early start. But aren't you crashing now?
Honestly? Yeah, I'm fading a little. I feel a yawn coming on.
Well, drink that coffee.
Will do. You're here super early every day too, though. When do you wake up?
My alarm goes off at 5:30 every day. We open at 7, so I have to be here by 6:30 to prep.
5:30 every day. Brutal. Even on weekends?
No way. Weekends are different. But on work days, I force myself up.
Do you live close by?
Yeah, my apartment is about 20 minutes away. I take the metro.
20 minutes isn't bad. Is it a convenient area?
Yeah, super convenient. There's a Trader Joe's and a CVS right by the station, so shopping is easy.
Nice. Is the metro crowded that early?
No, before 6 it's empty. I can always get a seat. I usually just listen to music and zone out.
What are you listening to lately?
Mostly French pop recently. I'm trying to learn the language since we get so many tourists and diplomats in here.
That's impressive. Very studious.
Not really. But after 7 o'clock, the trains get packed like sardines.
Yeah, DC rush hour is no joke. Glad you live close.
Me too. But winter mornings are the worst. My apartment is drafty, so getting out of bed is torture. I'm always like, just 5 more minutes.
I hear that. I hate the cold. By the way, have you ever actually overslept and been late?
Actually, I have one horror story. Last winter.
Oh yeah? What happened?
I was exhausted, and I forgot to plug in my phone. It died overnight.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Right? So no alarm. I woke up, looked at the microwave clock, and it was 6:45.
What? You open in 15 minutes!
I know! I thought I was going to have a heart attack.
So what did you do?
I didn't wash my face, didn't brush my teeth, just threw on clothes and ran out the door. I realized later I was wearing mismatched socks. I sprinted to the metro station. I do bouldering, so I'm pretty fit, but I've never run that fast in my life.
An athlete! So, did you make it?
Not quite. I got here at 7:15. There was one customer waiting outside.
Oof, awkward. Was he mad?
No, but it was this nice older regular. He was just reading the post on his phone. He laughed and said, "Running on island time today?"
That's lucky. Nice guy.
Yeah. I apologized like 100 times. He was cool about it.
Good story.
Yeah, but since that day, I used 2 alarms. My phone and an old school clock that sounds like a fire alarm. I never oversleep now.
Smart. I should probably do that.
What about you, Brian? Any disasters at your restaurant?
I haven't overslept, but we had a major ingredient crisis once. It was a Friday night, fully booked, and our produce delivery just didn't show up.
Wow, really? You can't cook without food. What did you do?
I grabbed 2 of my busboys and we drove to the nearest grocery store. We bought every tomato and head of lettuce they had. We filled 3 carts.
That sounds incredibly stressful.
It was. We had 0 prep time, so everyone was chopping vegetables like maniacs right as we opened the doors. I was sweating bullets.
Restaurant life is crazy. Highs and lows, right?
Definitely. By the way, what's your prep routine here?
It's a lot of little things. First, cleaning. Sweeping, wiping tables.
Keeps the place welcoming.
Exactly. Then I set up the patio furniture. But the most important thing is dialing in the espresso machine.
Dialing it in? You do that every day?
Every single day. Humidity and temperature change how the beans grind, so the taste changes. I have to pull a few shots and taste them to adjust the grinder.
That's dedication. That's pro level.
Thanks. Then I bake off the pastries and set up the display case. By 7, everything has to be perfect.
You work hard. So when do you eat breakfast?
I don't really sit down to eat. I just drink coffee and maybe nibble on a pastry I'm quality testing. Sometimes I skip it.
Seriously? You're on your feet all day. Don't you crash?
I'm okay until lunch. Then I eat a huge salad or sandwich.
Crazy. Breakfast is my favorite meal. I need fuel.
What's your go-to breakfast?
I like a real breakfast. Scrambled eggs, bacon, toast, home fries with Old Bay seasoning.
Wow, very Maryland. A full diner breakfast. Do you make it yourself?
Yeah, usually.
That's impressive. I guess you really do love cooking.
It's the job. But I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I just grab a bagel with cream cheese if I'm in a rush.
I love bagels, especially everything bagels.
Same.
By the way, remind me, what kind of food are you doing at your new spot?
It's Italian, but we use local Chesapeake ingredients.
Oh, cool. Like pasta and pizza?
Yeah, but with Maryland crab, local corn, stuff like that. Farm to table style.
That sounds incredible. I need to come up to Baltimore on my day off and try it.
Please do. If you come up, Lisa, dinner is on the house.
Wow, really? I'm holding you to that.
So, what do you actually do on your days off?
Saturdays are my sanctuary.
No alarm clock. I sleep until 9 or 10.
That's the dream.
Right? I wake up, make pancakes, put on some jazz, and just drink coffee in my pajamas. It's pure bliss.
Sounds relaxing.
Then in the afternoon, I hit the bouldering gym.
Right, the climbing. It looks intense.
It is. My arms scream afterwards, but it clears my head. Great stress relief.
You're energetic. I'm pretty useless at the gym.
How about your days off?
I can't turn my brain off. I'm still thinking about food. Sometimes I go to the markets.
Shopping for the restaurant?
Yeah, I go to Lexington Market or drive out to the farms. Seeing fresh seafood or good produce just gets me excited.
Markets open early too, don't they?
Super early. If I go to the fish market, I'm up at 4 a.m. The vendors are shouting, fish are flying. It's chaotic, but I love it.
4 a.m. You're crazier than I am. You really work hard, Brian.
Hey, I just want to make good food. That's the fun part. Oh no, I got distracted talking. It's almost 8 o'clock.
Already?
Yeah, I gotta run. My meeting is at 8:30. If I'm late, my friend will never let me hear the end of it.
Well, you better go. Good luck with the meeting.
Thanks. Honestly, chatting with you and having some actual coffee woke me up. I feel ready now.
Glad to hear it. Fingers crossed for the new project.
Thanks, Lisa. I'll come back and tell you how it went. Thanks for the breakfast.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
See ya!